Meaning of ill-advisedly.
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 Ill-advisedly. Ill-advisedly means to do something without proper consideration or advice, often resulting in negative consequences. For example, if someone ill-advisedly invests all their money in a risky stock, they may suffer significant financial loss. Alternatively, if someone ill-advisedly speaks poorly about their boss to a colleague, they may be reprimanded or even fired. In short, acting ill-advisedly can lead to regrettable outcomes, emphasizing the importance of taking the time to consider one's actions and seek advice when necessary.